Let me show you how to turn your low quality footage into ultra high quality video. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI Video Enhancer to upscale your footage and make your videos look much more professional. Once you open the software, you'll notice that the interface is clean and beginner friendly. To import a video, simply click the Import Video button or drag and drop your footage directly into the window. I'll be testing 3 different clips to see how each AI model performs. The processing begins almost instantly, and the best part is that you can compare the original and enhanced versions side by side using the built-in comparison slider. It makes it very easy to see the improvements. Now let's take a look at the settings. Under the hardware section, you can choose whether the software uses your CPU or GPU for processing. Next are the AI models. You'll find options like more detail, smooth, and super video, each designed for different types of footage. If you're not sure which one to use, simply click the information icon to read a brief explanation of each model. For upscaling, you can increase your video's resolution by 1 times, 2 times, or 4 times. You can also upscale directly to 4K or enter a custom resolution. There's even a strength slider that lets you control how much enhancement is applied. To speed up processing, the software includes 2 performance modes: Step Mode, which uses virtual RAM, and Turbo Mode for faster rendering. Clicking the Edit option gives you a few extra tools. You can rotate or flip your video, crop unwanted areas, enable force deinterlacing, and select different video or audio tracks if your file contains multiple streams. Moving on to the color section, you can quickly improve your footage by color grading. These controls help give your video a cleaner and more polished look. Another useful feature is frame interpolation. This allows you to increase your video's frame rate up to 120 frames per second, making motion appear much smoother. If you're creating slow motion videos, just enable the slow motion option for even better results. The next feature is HDR enhancement. Simply enable HDR and choose from 3 AI presets, depending on the look you're going for. Finally, there's audio denoise. If your recording contains background noise or unwanted sounds, you can clean it up using one of the available AI denoise models. Once you're happy with the settings, it's time to export. In the export section, you can choose your preferred video format. If you've imported multiple clips, you can also use batch export to process everything at once. Now, let's compare the results. I personally prefer using the comparison slider because it's the easiest way to see the before and after quality. Now, let's test the second clip. This time, I'll use the smooth AI model, which works especially well for footage with people or characters. I'll upscale the video by 4 times, and the final result looks much cleaner than the original. Another feature worth mentioning is the in and out tool. Instead of enhancing the entire video, you can process only a selected section, which is great for testing settings or saving processing time. Finally, let's import the third clip. Since this footage was recorded in low light, I'll switch to the Super Video model, which is optimized for darker scenes. The results are excellent. The lighting looks more balanced. The details are noticeably sharper. Now let's try out frame interpolation. This feature is super useful if your video is jittery. I have this clip that has some noticeable jitter in the motion. Enable frame interpolation. As you can see at the top, this video is currently running at 24 frames per second. I'll increase it all the way to 120 frames per second to see how well it works. You can also enable the slow motion option if you want to create a slow motion effect, but for now, I'll leave it unchecked. Let's export the video and check the final result. Depending on your system and the video length, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. So here's the before and here's the after. You can clearly see the difference in smoothness, and the overall result feels significantly smoother. Let's take a look at the pricing. AI offers both a free and a paid version. With the free version, you'll have a few limitations, such as a watermark on the exported videos. However, you can still test all the software's features before deciding to purchase it, which is a great advantage. If you decide to upgrade, you can choose between a yearly license or a lifetime license. The pricing is quite reasonable, and I personally recommend going with the lifetime license. It's a one-time purchase, and you'll be good to go forever without worrying about renewing your subscription. Overall, AI Video Enhancer offers a simple workflow with powerful AI tools that can significantly improve video quality with very little effort. If you regularly work with low-quality footage, this software is definitely worth checking out. I mentioned the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. That's all about this video. Subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.